Morning guys, I'm down here at JJ Customs in San Jose, and this new one from Team Associated, the Toyota FJ45 pickup truck. Everybody, it seems, is getting in the four-wheel drive crawling game, and Team Associated are not wanting to be left out. So you can get this truck in blue, which is the one that caught my eye because this body colour is quite eye-popping, and they also did the same FJ45 truck in black, in like a dark black grey colour as well. Anyway, I'm going to get the blue one off the shelf, put it on the stand, let's have a close-up look at it. And I want to point out, these cars, like all the ones at JJ Customs, are unboxed, off the shelf, for you to come down and have a look at. So, if you're in the San Jose area, do come down and check them out, or if not, check out their website online.
And there's a lot to like about this Team Associated CR12 Toyota FJ45. $199 plus the tax from JJ Customs, including battery and charger. So, let's get it on the stand, have a close look and see what we get for our money.
Okay, starting at the back, the Team Associated CR12 Toyota FJ45 pickup in blue with a white highlight on the hood on the top of this one. Very, very retro. The originals of these selling for serious money, much like the Ford Bronco. So, what do we think of it, guys? Are we liking the look of that? As I say, I believe this is fairly new from Team Associated on air, and it is available in the dark grey as well, but do let me know your first thoughts. Okay guys, taking the body off, no idea what to expect on there whatsoever, except I wasn't expecting that. It has got fully functioning front headlights on there, so I'm going to need to be a little bit careful with positioning that body. Okay, starting at the rear of the car, we've got our, as I say, it's semi-scale, so we've got a traditional scale bumper on there. Lock diff, I am assuming, tucked away in that solid axle on there. Adjustable springs, but they're not threaded, I believe. They've just got you can just adjust them with preloaded spacers on there. Moving on down, on the left we've got our ESC 380 size brushed motor on the right there, and tucked away. It looks like it comes with a little battery included with it. A battery appears to be minuscule, traditional Dean's connector on there. Moving on down, we've got our servo at the front, and that is very front mounted, well in excess of the front axle in terms of the mounting point of the thing. All the electrics appear to be quite low in the chassis. Coming round to the front, just checking down there, so we've got another solid axle in there, and I'll pan down the underside in 1 second. What do we think of those tyres, guys? Very difficult to tell with these things unless you actually run them outside what they are, but your first thoughts as ever, guys, on the Team Associated FJ45 would be much appreciated. And I'll put the body back on and turn it over. Okay, we're just scanning down the underside of the Team Associated CR12 FJ45. Traditional solid axle up front there. As you see that, look at how far forwards that servo is mounted for the weight distribution. Solid lock diffs all round. Full length suspension setup. Our gearbox in the middle there. My only thought is this potentially could snag on things. Surprised that it has not been made smoother underneath. That would be my only criticism of the car there. And then on down, lock diff and that solid rear axle, full length suspension again, stretch into the rear bumper. Anyway guys, do have your say on it. Anybody got one of these? I'd love to hear from you. Okay, suspension test. This is not going to be that vital on these things, but it will be quite interesting to see how much travel it has got. It's probably about 4 inches on there. That's not bad. So, you kind of think it's not so relevant on these crawlers, but then that articulation pretty good again, about 4 maybe 4.5 inches on there.
Okay, well guys, I hope you enjoyed that short preview of the Team Associated CR12 Toyota FJ45 pickup. Quite a neat little four-wheel drive crawler to my mind. The body is pretty good scale impression, not super scale, but scale nonetheless. You're most interested to see how this thing handles out in the field, so if anybody's got one of these or an experience of it, would love to know. So please do have your say in the comment section below the video. Anyway, this car you can see down at JJ Customs, like all the ones behind me. Everything is unboxed, off the shelf for you to come down and have a look at. Link to them below the video. And as ever guys, if you like this stuff, don't forget to subscribe.
Well, if you like this Team Associated scale crawler, the Toyota FJ45 is available for just $199 plus the tax down at JJ Customs in San Jose, so don't hesitate to pop in and see them or check them out online today.